Hello all, how you all are doing? Well, today's topic is speak without fear. So, what does this mean? Well, this is all related to public speaking. This is a 7-day challenge where at the end of 7 day, if you follow these steps, you will be able to speak in public. If you try, you will be able to speak in public without any fear, without any worries, without any tension. Your fear of speaking is not the real problem. It's this, the small habit that's silently destroying your confidence. Now, um, let me just begin where our topic is all about public speaking. I refer this because you can see, I always believe also that until unless you see and you listen, you will not be able to concentrate to what I am speaking. So, that moment when someone asks you to speak, and then what happens is suddenly your heartbeat, just blows up. It becomes very fast. Your mind becomes blank, and you start thinking, what will they think about me? Yes, the question, what will they think about me? This is a big question. Yes, that moment, that's where most people lose their voice. They become tense, they become nervous, and they tend to lose their voice. Now, let me tell you something very honestly. You are not that bad in speaking. You are just trying to be too much perfect while speaking. Yes, the word perfect. You are trying to be too much perfect. Yes, when we become too much perfect, we can't speak. And perfection is the fastest way to lose the confidence. Confident speakers are not just perfect, they are just comfortable being imperfect. Yes, they are comfortable being imperfect. Now, what does that mean? Let me just, tell you in a story style. Well, I have seen so many people who have amazing ideas, but when it comes to speaking, they literally shrink themselves. Not because they don't want to say what they have in their mind, but because they are very scared of how they will sound, what will people think, how they are going to, face so many people, and that fear keeps them invisible. So the core lesson is like, your first shift for today, I would say that stop trying to impress people. Try to express yourself in your own words. That's it. The moment you switch from impressing to expressing, right? From, let me just write it down. Oh God, what happened to this? From like impressing, from impressing to expressing yourself, expressing yourself in a much better way. That's when your fear disappears, your confidence comes back, and you are not scared of people. You just speak your mind. So never try to impress who is sitting just the opposite side. You are here because you have better ideas, you have more clarity, you know the topic so well. That's why the opposite people wants to listen from you. Now, if you are expressing your ideas, just express it without, impressing them. You will rock the show. And here's your day one challenge comes. And don't skip this because this is where the change begins. You just take your phone, open your camera, and speak just for 1 minute. And today's topic for you is how was your day today? So the rules are you can't stop, no stopping, no deleting, no perfection. Just keep on speaking without impressing the other side. Just express yourself. It might feel little awkward, but that's the exact point. So this is your day one challenge. You might slutter a little. That's okay. You might forget your words. That's also fine. You might not like your voice. Just ignore it and just do it. Because confidence is not about, confidence can't be built by avoiding the discomfort. It is like you have to face them. Then only you will get the confidence. Remember this, every confident speaker whom you admire today once felt exactly like you. I too have felt the same. The only difference, they didn't run away from fear, they just practiced through it. Now, I want you to take the action immediately. So comment day one done when you complete this challenge of just opening your camera and just speaking over there about how was your day. Just a random leave, just speak. Don't listen, don't think of your voice. Don't think of impressing anyone. Just speak. And if you are serious about this challenge, then tag me and share your video. I'll be watching that. And tomorrow, I will show you why overthinking is killing your confidence and how to speak without freezing. Trust me, day two will change everything. But don't just go to day two. First, you complete day one challenge and then go to day two. Start messy, but start today. So see you. Bye bye.